Let's play a game. Who's there? It's a pig. Who's there? It's a cow. Who's there? It's a chicken. Who's there? Oh no, a dinosaur. Let's get out of here. Oh.
Hey.
Hey. It's me, Mr. Clay. How are you doing today?
Awesome.
Awesome. I'm doing
Good.
good too. I've got a brand new
Toy.
animal toy. Do you want to play
Play.
with me and my toy?
Toy.
You do? Awesome. So, this is a really, really cool
Cool.
toy. It's a little barn.
Barn.
And it has the number 1 on it.
1.
And it's red.
Red.
And there's something inside. Do you want to
Open.
open it and
See.
see? Me too. All right. Let's see what's
See.
inside number
1.
1. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is an animal that we see at the farm.
Farm.
This is a
Rabbit.
bunny rabbit. It is so
Cute.
cute. Hop, 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 hop. Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. That's awesome.
Awesome.
I'm going to put it back in the barn and slide it over here. That's number 1. Let's do number
2.
2. Do you see number 2?
Yellow.
It's yellow. Do you want to open
Open.
and see
See.
what's inside? Well, this I should have guessed. It's an animal that lives on a farm. It says quack. And when they're babies, they are
Yellow.
yellow. Yeah. It's a quack, quack, quack. It's a baby duck. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. It's also very, very cute. I'm going to put him back in, put the top on, slide him over there. I really like this barn toy. I wonder what's in number 3. 3. Let's see what's in 3. I'm going to open it and see what's inside. This is always my first guess when we're talking about farm animals. It's a cow.
Cow.
He says, moo. Moo. He eats grass. And cows give us milk. I think this is
Cool.
cool. Moo. And look, it's a finger puppet. Moo, 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 moo. Okay, Mr. Cow. I'm going to put him back in the barn. All right. Now we need number 4. Do you see number 4? You do?
What?
What color is it? Yeah, it's
Green.
green. Let's open number 4. This is one of my favorite animals. They're little, they eat bugs, and they hop. It's a frog.
Frog.
Uh-oh, I dropped him. Hop, 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 hop. Hop goes the frog. This is a very funny looking frog. I'm going to put him right back in here. All right. Da, 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 da. All right, so that was 4. What comes after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
5.
5. 5 comes after 4. Purple is number 5. I love the color
Purple.
Oh my gosh. Everybody loves these, right? It's a little puppy dog.
Dog.
I think that this is so cute. Do you have a
5.
dog at your house? I do.
I.
Ruff, 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 ruff. Oh, what a cool and cute little dog. I'm going to put him back in. Okay. Number 5. So now we're going to open number 6.
6.
Yeah, number 6. This brown one is number 6. Do you want to open and see what's inside? I know I do. All right, here we... Oh, this is another great farm animal. It's a horse. Say hi, horse.
Horse.
Do you know what a horse says? Yeah. Neigh. Neigh, says the horse. This is another cute little animal. Neigh, 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 neigh. I love it. All right, I'm going to put my horse back in here. Wait a minute. Where's my horse? Oh, how did he get on my head? Silly horse.
Horse.
All right. So that was number 6. What comes after 6? Yeah.
7.
Can you see which one is number 7? Here, let me move these for you. Ta-da! Which one is number 7? Yeah, it's this teal colored barn. Let's open. And let's see what's inside. And it's a little chick. A chick is a baby
Chicken.
And he says, peep, 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 peep. I think this is awesome. Oh, man. What do you think? You like him? I do too. Let's put him in here. Put number 7 over here. We might move this one and this one here. Uh-oh. All right. Now we need number 8. And 8 is pink. I like the color pink because it has a pink pig inside of it. Wow, the pig is living in number 8. I wonder if that means that there's 8 pigs in my barn. No, I don't think so either. I think there's just one. What does a pig say? Do you know? Yeah. The pig says, that's right. I'm going to put him back in the barn. I'm going to put it over here. All right. I've got number 9 and 10 left. What number comes after 8? Yeah, it's 9. And 9 is the color orange. And this animal says, meow. Meow. It's a little cat. Say hi, cat. Meow. The cat said hi back. Do you have a cat? I
I.
do have a cat. I have a cat
Cat.
and a
Dog.
dog. Just like this barn. All right. This is our last one. It's the number
10.
10. And it's
Gray.
gray. I'm going to open
Open.
and see
See.
what's inside. It's a little sheep.
Sheep.
This might be the cutest
Cute.
sheep I've ever seen. Hi, Mr. Sheep. Ba, ba. He said ba, ba back to me. That's so cute. I'm going to put him back in.
In.
All right. Let's see. I've got so many different barns. Which one was your
Favorite.
favorite? That's awesome. My favorite is the pink one. I like the pink one
Pink.
with the little
Pig.
pig. But it's okay if you like a different one than me. We're all allowed to like different things. Anyway, I had so much fun with you today. I really liked opening
Open.
all of my
Barn.
barns and looking to see
See.
what was inside. Did you have fun? Awesome. That makes me so happy.
Happy.
All right. Well, it's time for me to go.
Go.
I have to clean all of this up and get ready for my next friend. But I had so much
Fun.
with you today. Remember, you
You are awesome.
awesome. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
I wonder if I can stack these up high. Oh no!
Let's play.
Let's play a game. I have a pig, a sheep, a cow, and a chicken. Now, who's missing? Yeah, it's the chicken. Who's missing now? Yeah, it's the cow. Who's missing now? Yeah, it's the sheep. Who's missing now? Yeah, it's the pig. It's music time. Cow finger, where are you? Here I am, moo, 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 moo. Chicken finger, where are you? Here I am, cluck, 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 cluck. Pig finger, where are you? Here I am, oink, 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 oink. Sheep finger, where are you? Here I am, ba, 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 ba. Horse finger, where are you? Here I am, neigh, 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 neigh. Here I am, how do you do? Here I am, how do you do? I see sheep. I see chickens. I see cows. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, like, and share. Go to MrClaySLP.com to find free worksheets to pair with these and other Mr. Clay videos.